Hi there, everyone. I am Kareth, and I am the freeze-dried foodie, and I have just something huge to share with you right now. I apologize for this video. It's not going to be that professional, but I wanted to tell you just as soon as I could. My big announcement is that my cookbook is ready, and I have it linked on my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you go to my main channel on YouTube, you'll see it has I think a couple of links there at the top for you. One is my shopping link with Thrive Life. Bless you, Teddy. Bless you. Okay, and then another is my Facebook group. And then I just added a third, and it's my website because my daughter Ashley helped me build a website. And y'all, this is like way beyond what I'm capable of doing. But I just am so grateful to Ashley. She was so helpful. My daughter Hallie was the one that edited my cookbook. Anyway, it's just so exciting. So I wanted to show you a little bit, like a sneak peek of what it looks like. I made my husband buy the book so I could just check to see if the links worked and everything, and they do. The link works. It takes you to my website. There's a buy now button kind of thing, or buy my book here. You click on it and then it will take you to a checkout page. All you have to do is enter an email, and that's because it will send it to your email. It's a ebook. Okay, I wish it was print, but y'all, it's 112 pages of a book here, so it's way too long to be affordable in print right now. If I was, a big to-do author, I could probably get a book deal and it wouldn't be that much money for you, but I am not, and I cannot, and all I can afford is an ebook right now. So what you can do is you can buy my ebook, and then you can print any of the pages you want to print. Okay, I want to show you what it looks like because I'm so excited about the way the cookbook looks. It's gorgeous, and we've downloaded it onto a computer and it looks good on like a laptop. We've downloaded it onto a phone and it looks good on a phone. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is my husband's phone, and he probably is looking for his phone right now, but I have it. So I wanted to show you. I know it's not going to show very well, but this is the beginning of the book. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. And then here's like sneak peek of the pages. It's so pretty, y'all. And then I've got a little table of contents, and then it just starts with breakfasts. And then I've got a bunch of breakfast recipes, and then it goes to sides, appetizers, then I have mains and mixes and desserts and all of that. So, and soups. I also have soups. So I wanted to show you what it looked like. I have a deal for you. Several of my subscribers have really been encouraging me to finish this book, and I finally have finished it. I am going to offer it for a discounted price for probably the first month. Okay, the regular price of the book will be $19.99, but I am offering it for $14.99 right now, so that's 25% off. And please do consider purchasing it. It would greatly help me support my channel and help my family, really. So I'm going to just leave it at that. I want to show you one part of the recipe that's really cool. Okay, so let it get adjusted. Okay, so since it's an ebook and it's on this device, this is what it looks like on a phone. All right, just say you're in the kitchen and you're making the dirty rice and you think, oh gosh, I forgot. How did she do that one step in the video? Well, watch this. Okay, you can enlarge it. You can read it really well, hopefully that way. And then I've got a button for click here for the video. And if you click there, it takes you to my YouTube video. I don't know what that's doing. Oh, that was bad. Okay, skip. It was an ad. Okay. Okay. It takes you to the YouTube video. Yay! And also, okay, you can just, watch the part of the video that you needed to watch. And then also it will do this. Let's say you're looking at the ingredients list and you think, okay, yeah, it calls for half a cup of sausage crumbles. I'm going to put that in there, but oh my goodness, I just used the last part or the last of the sausage and I'm at the bottom of my can. Watch this. You can do this. These are called hyperlinks, okay? And no, cancel. Okay. It takes you to my website where you can buy the sausage crumbles. I hope I wrote it in a way that is user-friendly. It's helpful to you. I have the full recipe, the preparation instructions, a little blurb about the recipe itself. Sometimes it's like a little story about my family or how I came across the recipe. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your patience. And what I'll start doing is adding the link to my website where you can purchase the book. I'll start adding that link in every video description box. So below my videos, there's always a description box, right? And I'm going to keep probably typing up the recipe for those of you who do not want to purchase the book. But for those of you who do want to purchase the book, I will link my website at the bottom. And really all my website has on it right now is a shopping link to Thrive Life and then a buy now button for my book. So I might do more with that in the future. I just don't know. If you know someone who you think would like this book, please share that with them. I don't do a really good job of marketing myself. That's not my thing. I like to cook. That's what I think I do well. But the rest of it, yeah, I'd appreciate your help there. So anyway, I'm super thrilled to share that with you today. And I'm just going to go ahead and really quickly edit this video and get it up on YouTube to let my sweet, awesome, amazing subscribers know that my book is finally ready. Praise the Lord. Okay, guys, y'all be blessed. And until next time, y'all take care and keep thriving. I forgot to tell you the name of my website. My website is called thefreezedriedfoodie.com. That's it. thefreezedriedfoodie.com. No spaces. That's my website. Okay, guys, God bless. Y'all take care. Bye.